Hi, I'm Joanie Spencer, Editor-in-Chief of Commercial Baking, and I am at the 2026 American Bakers Association Convention, and I am catching up with Brian LeComte, President of Gold Medal Bakery and the new board chair for ABA. Hi, Brian. Thanks so much for catching up with me today.
Hi, Joanie. Happy to be here.
Okay, so we are here at the Broadmoor in Colorado Springs having a great convention. Let's just take a walk and chat.
Let's do it.
All right. So first of all, congratulations on stepping into one of the most important volunteer roles in the baking industry.
Thank you. It's exciting.
Yeah, I'm really excited for your leadership in this. One thing that's cool about you is that you have a lifetime of experience, not only in the industry, but also with ABA. You're a generational baker. So what would you say your lifetime of experience, how has it shaped your view of the industry and how has it changed?
Sure. So I've been in the industry my whole life, and I've been on the board now at ABA for 19 years. And
wow.
Yeah, it's gone by quick. And 10 years as treasurer now, somebody told me yesterday. So I've got a lot of knowledge about the ABA and the way it works, and some knowledge about the industry. I'm still learning, of course, like everybody else. But I think there's been a ton of changes over the years, but in a lot of ways it's kind of stayed the same.
I would agree with that.
And we see different patterns that happen, and there are challenges that, like what we're going through now, that have happened in the past.
Yep.
And so, you have to learn from those previous challenges and take that and adjust our strategy going forward so that we can continue to grow as an industry.
Okay, so speaking of strategy, I remember having conversations with you when ABA launched their new strategic plan a few years ago. So what would you say, based on the strategic plan that you're in right now, what's one of your biggest goals for your tenure as board chair?
Sure. So the first one is what we call ignited advocacy. So we think we have a great story to tell about the industry, safe, affordable nutrition. It's on everybody's kitchen table at night. But how can we tell our story more effectively? So we've got a good story. Now we just need to get out there and tell it. So I think you're going to see a lot of that coming forward.
Okay.
The other thing we want to do is we want to bring the industry together, like we're doing this week at the ABA convention. Because we think if we can get all of our affiliates and all of our partners together speaking as one, it's a much stronger voice as we advocate for the industry. And coming off of IBIE, it's the most successful IBIE we've ever had. So we want to take those resources and invest them back so that we can supercharge that advocacy and that work that we're doing together.
Ride that momentum.
You got it.
Okay. All right. Anything else? Any other goals?
I'm just excited about the convention. For the second year in a row, this is going to be a record convention for us.
Amazing.
So that momentum continues. So we're excited about it for sure.
All right. Well, Brian, thank you so much for catching up with me. Congratulations for stepping into this role. The industry and the association are in great hands. So thanks again for visiting with me.
And thanks for everything you do as well.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.